This video will show you how to replace the seals on the A1280 Inlet Valve. This video only deals with the inlet valve repair itself. If you're looking for directions on how to remove the inlet valve from either a 1- or 2-piece Caroma toilet, we've linked those videos in the description below. We've also linked a list of Caroma products that use the A1280 Inlet Valve. To repair the valve, the first step is to pop off that blue cap. We are using a flat-headed screwdriver to easily remove it. Once the cap is pulled back, you can see that the white arm is held in place by a small plastic plug. You'll need to remove that plug. The easiest way to do this is just to push against one side with the end of your screwdriver. You can even use the metal end to push it a bit further out, and then pull it out the other side. Make sure to retain this part because you're going to need it later. Now pull back the white arm. Before you do the next step, make sure to note the location of the discharge tube. When you reassemble this valve, this discharge tube has to be in the same position or the top won't fit back on. Now you'll need to remove the inner cap. How you do this depends on how tightly it is attached. If it isn't too tight, you can insert a small bar or screwdriver into the holes and turn it in a counterclockwise direction. If it's really tight, this might not work for you. What you can do then is to insert a larger rod or screwdriver over the top, cup your hand over the valve and turn. This provides a bit more torque, allowing you to loosen the cap. Once you remove the inner white cap, turn it over to reveal the first black seal. Next, remove the flat seal sitting on top of the valve. Lastly, remove the larger inner seal. You can use a small screwdriver tip to access it. Now discard all 3 used seals. Now you're ready to install the 3 seals from your repair kit. First, install the large bottom seal. Place it over top of the valve and then gently tuck it into place. Place the middle seal on top of the valve and then insert the top seal into the white cap. You're now ready to put the valve back together. First, you're going to need to replace the cap. You'll see that there are grooves on the outer edge of that cap. They interlock with the grooves on the valve body. Remember we said to pay attention to the original position of the discharge tube? Replace the cap, making sure that the position of the discharge tube is located to the back and side as it was before you started. Push down on that cap and turn clockwise until it clicks into place. Now pull the white arm back over the valve, making sure to line up the holes in the arm with the holes at the top of the valve. Once it's lined up, replace the white plug. Pull the blue cap back over and snap it into place. If the discharge tube is in the correct position, it should easily snap back on top. If you have any questions about this or any Caroma product, please contact our customer service team at 1-800-460-7019 or by email at help@sustainablesolutions.com.